Hello, so today I want to show you how to change default application in your Asus Zenfone 6. So for the first, we have to open settings. Now we have to go to the apps and notifications, and now we have to click on the default apps. And for example, I will go for the browser. So we click here, and now we have only Google Chrome. And if you want to add another browser, for the first you have to download. So go to the Google Play Store, and I will go for Opera, and I will just install it. So now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, and from now Opera should appear in the permission control. So as you can see, here it is, and click on the Opera or for Chrome, whatever you want. Yeah, so this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.